Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about cabinet installation and leg levelers. Now, if you're not already using leg levelers for your cabinets, I'm not sure I know what to tell you. If you really enjoy putting in shims and using extra material and wasting time, I guess that's your business. Leg levelers allow you to make precise adjustments to the level on your cabinets really easily. Now, usually in the traditional ones, you've had to rotate some part of the leg leveler either from inside the cabinet or from outside the cabinet to get it to level. And so then you had to do gymnastics of, reaching under the cabinet and then looking up to check your level and all this kind of stuff. So it was a little tedious. But now there is a new system from Hafele called Axilo, A-X-I-L-O. And it is really cool. It uses these levelers, and it's like a big pinion gear, or bevel gear with a pinion that drives it. And you have this tool that fits on here, and it snaps in positively, like you can hear it, and you can feel it when you do it. And you turn the handle, and that turns this pinion gear right here. And so now watch, see how that turns when we do that? And it's all snapped in like that. Okay? And so the way it works is you have these blocks, they go on the bottom of your cabinet. It's designed so this tab goes on the part of the cabinet that is on the outside, so it's actually supporting the outside, and then this is on the bottom of the cabinet. 4 screws, really easy installation, and then the legs just snap right in like that, and you're set. And then show you how it works. Put a level on here. You can see this is not level, and so if we attach this here and we start turning it, you can see it starts getting closer to level. And then if you want to turn it from farther away, like you have to reach into the back of the cabinet, you can use this tool. And if you got to turn it a lot, you can even drive it with, with a drill driver, like this. So now watch, and we can see how our level changes. Oops, I'm not locked in. There we go. And so now I'm a little past it, so I can just readjust it till I get it exactly where I want it. And I can do it all while I'm seeing it. Of course, it works better when these are actually screwed into the bottom of the cabinet. In a minute, we'll go check an actual installation. But I just wanted, it's hard to see these, how they work when they have them underneath the cabinet. So that gives you the idea. Another cool feature of this system is the way that toe kicks go on here. You have this little tab that slides in, and the toe kick, instead of usual ones on leg levelers had like a horseshoe shaped device that snapped onto here, and then you had to screw it onto the back of your toe kick. So there were two operations. There was installing screwing the attachment onto your toe kick, and then attaching it here. With this, it's just designed to snap in like that. And this also has an adjustment on height on it. And all of these leg levelers are available in various height ranges. So for however high you build your toe kicks or any special applications in your cabinets, you can get the size that you need with the range of adjustment that you need. So you have uneven floors, whatever, you can deal with it. And they're nice, really wide base and really cool to adjust. Now let's take a look at the application in my kitchen. Okay, so we're now in my kitchen, which is a work in progress, and you can see with the leg levelers installed how easy it is to reach the ones in front, which, you know, you could have probably reached those by hand too. And even on a single cabinet, you know, just by feel, you can reach the ones in the back pretty easy. But, you know, reaching all the way to the back of this blind corner cabinet, finding it, there it is. You could still sort of reach it, but you add the extension on here. And now it's real easy. And look at this, I could adjust that back there and still be looking at my level. And if I wanted to put, you know, the power drive in it, it makes it even easier. So there you have it. It's a great system, worth checking out. You also can see a video from Hafele that shows them demonstrating it on a sample cabinet as well. But it's way better than shims and way better than most of the other leg levelers I've used. Really neat. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more product reviews and videos, you can go to our website at woodworkingnetwork.com. Catch you next time.